The story of electricity begins around 600 BC. Ancient Greek philosopher Thales of Miletus discovered that when umber was rubbed, it could attract light objects like feathers. This simple observation was the first recorded experiment of static electricity. Long before science, humans witnessed electricity in its most powerful form, lightning. Ancient people believed it was the power of gods. But today we know lightning is a natural electrical discharge between clouds and the earth. This was humanity's first encounter with electricity. Ancient people noticed something strange about umber. When rubbed, umber could attract light objects like straw and feathers. This phenomenon later became known as the umber effect, and the Greek word for umber, electron, gave birth to the word electricity. In ancient Egypt, people experienced electricity through nature itself. Fishermen in the Nile River encountered electric fish, which could deliver strong shocks. Egyptians even used these fish to relieve pain, making this one of the earliest practical uses of electricity long before science could explain it. For centuries, electricity was deeply misunderstood. Ancient scholars believed sparks, shocks, and glowing effects were magic or divine powers. Without scientific knowledge, electricity remained a mystery, feared, worshipped, and misunderstood until experimentation slowly revealed its true nature. In 1600 AD, William Gilbert changed the history of electricity. He was the first scientist to study electrical and magnetic phenomena systematically. Gilbert introduced the term electricus and proved that electricity was a natural force, not magic, earning him the title Father of Electricity. In the 1700s, scientists learned how to produce electricity artificially. Using friction machines and the Leyden jar, they generated and stored static electricity. These early generators allowed controlled experiments, turning electricity from curiosity into experimental science. In 1745, scientists invented the Leyden jar, the world's first device to store electricity. It could hold static charge and release it later, much like a modern capacitor. This invention proved that electricity could be stored, controlled, and studied, opening the door to modern electronics. In 1752, Benjamin Franklin proved that lightning is a form of electricity. Using a kite during a thunderstorm, he collected electric charge and stored it in a Leyden jar. This experiment changed electricity from a mystery of nature into a scientific reality. After proving that lightning is electrical, Benjamin Franklin invented the lightning rod. It safely directs electric charge from lightning into the ground, protecting buildings from fire and damage. This invention was one of the first practical applications of electrical science. In 1800, Alessandro Volta invented the world's first battery, known as the voltaic pile. For the first time, electricity could be produced continuously and reliably. This breakthrough transformed electricity from short sparks into a usable power source. After the invention of the battery, scientists discovered electric current. They realized that electricity could flow continuously through a closed circuit. This discovery laid the foundation for all electrical devices, from simple bulbs to modern power systems. In 1820, Hans Christian Ørsted made a revolutionary discovery. He observed that a compass needle deflected when placed near a current-carrying wire. This proved that electricity creates magnetism, marking the birth of electromagnetism. In 1831, Michael Faraday made a groundbreaking discovery called electromagnetic induction. He showed that moving a magnet near a coil can produce electricity. This principle became the foundation of electric generators, transformers, and modern power systems. Using Faraday's discovery, scientists built the first electric generator, called a dynamo. It converted mechanical motion into electrical energy by rotating coils in a magnetic field. This invention marked the beginning of large-scale electricity generation. Soon after generators, scientists built the first electric motor. Unlike a generator, A motor converts electrical energy into mechanical motion. This invention made machines move using electricity and became the heart of modern industry and automation. In the late 1800s, electricity began to light the world. Early incandescent light bulbs converted electrical energy into light using heated filaments. This breakthrough replaced candles and gas lamps, transforming homes, streets, and cities forever. In the late 1800s, Thomas Edison made electric lighting practical for everyday use. He improved the light bulb and built complete power generation and distribution systems. Edison's work brought reliable electric light into homes, factories, and streets, changing human life forever. In the late 1800s, a fierce battle called the War of Currents began. Thomas Edison supported direct current, while Nikola Tesla promoted alternating current. AC could travel long distances efficiently, and eventually it won, becoming the standard power system used across the world today. With the victory of AC power, electricity was no longer just an invention, it became the backbone of modern civilization. From this moment on, electricity began to shape cities, industries, and the future of humanity. If you like this video, stay connected, like, share, and subscribe.